could be in the products you use every day.
You may check the smell or price of products.
It's hard to know what they mean or what they could do to your health.
Every day, gumagamit tayo ng mga cleaning sprays, detergents, shampoos, and cosmetics without noticing that many of them contains chemicals that enter our body, water, and environment. Ang tawag po natin dito ay chemical pollution. And chemistry helps us to understand how it happens and bakit ito mahalaga.
Common cleaning agents tulad ng bleach, detergents, and surface cleaners tulad ng chemicals such as ammonia, sodium hypochlorite, and surfactants. Meanwhile, ang cosmetic products naman ay mayroong parabens, microplastics, and synthetic fragrances. At kapag nililinis natin ito, they flow into drains and eventually into rivers and oceans.
Here, a simple demo to show how everyday chemical work and how they become a pollution. First, fill the glass with warm water. Next is add few drops of oil. What we'll see, the oil stays floating on the top. The oil and water don't mix. That's why when we wash greasy dishes, the oil just stay on the surface.
So first, we fill the water. And then we add some drop of oil. And then add some dishwashing liquid. And then we mix it. What we'll see, oil breaks in tiny pieces, mixture becomes cloudy, and the oil no longer floats in one big layer. Dishwashing has a surfactants. Surfactants act like tiny breakers. One side sticks to the water while the other sticks to the oil. So instead of floating, the oil spread into very tiny pieces.
This is good for cleaning, but after you rinse it down the drain, those surfactants stay active in the water. They don't disappear. They travel to rivers and lakes and can harm fish and plants, making it harder for them to breathe.
Pag-uusapan naman po natin ngayon how everyday household products can affect our health and our water. Today, we have Mr. Arden Policarpio who experienced discomfort from a product he uses at home. So, Mr. Arden Policarpio, nakaramdam po ba kayo ng any discomfort when using any household products?
Yes po, tuwing naglilinis ako ng CR, nakakaramdam po ako ng irritation sa mata. Actually, nagkameron po ako ng reaction sa dati kong deodorant.
What kind of reaction po or discomfort ang inyong naramdaman?
Naka-experience po ako ng irritation and redness sa area.
Did you ever think po na these chemicals could reach our water and affect po yung environment natin?
Hindi po. Actually, na ako lang din po na-realize na after maligo, nare-rinse po yung water sa mga drainage, which nagkakos po sa pagpunta sa waters natin.
As you can see, our household products contain strong chemicals. These chemicals don't just disappear after we use them. They go down the drain, reach our water systems, and can both affect our health and the environment. When we rinse off soaps, detergents, and cosmetics, the chemicals in them don't go into the water. Surfactants and microplastics don't break down easily. They reach rivers and oceans and can harm fish by making it harder for them to breathe. Strong cleaning products release chemicals that can irritate the eyes, skin, and lungs. Some people feel headaches or throat irritation when using them.
Chemistry plays a big role in creating safer and cleaner products that we use every day. When you look at labels, you might notice words like biodegradable, phosphate-free, and paraben-free. These labels tell us something important about how the products affect our health and the environment.
Biodegradable products are made with ingredients that can naturally break down over time. Instead of staying in the environment for years, they dissolve and return safely to nature. This helps reduce pollution in our water and soil. Phosphate-free products are better for our waterways. Phosphates used to be common in soaps and detergents, but they cause too much algae to grow in lakes and rivers that harms fish and other animals. So chemists designed new formulas that clean just as well, but without adding phosphates that damage the environment.
And paraben-free products that are safer for our skin. Parabens are preservatives that help products last longer, but some people prefer to avoid them because they can be built up in the body. Thanks to chemistry, companies now make products such as soaps, shampoos, and lotions that stay fresh without using the parabens.
By understanding these labels, we can choose products that are safer for us and kinder to the planet.
Small choices matter too. Use only the amount you need and always dispose of empty containers properly instead of pouring chemicals down the drain.